Hi there, morning. Today is a very good and sunny day, and we are going to near Malacca, which is Alor Gajah. Right, we're going to visit a coffee shop name called Juan Yong Kopitiam. They established since 1946. Okay, so this is it. We are going to help this outlet to expand. So before that, we're going to rectify few issues they're facing at their F&B outlet. Alright, first of all, we're going to get more details. Alright, what is their unique selling point? We are going to look into their marketing, look into their F&B, their front of the house, their back of the house. We're going to look into their manpower and a lot more stuff today. So today is going to be a busy day, so stay tuned with us. See you soon.
2 hours later.
Hi, so after 1.5 hours of drive, we have reached here, the small town Alor Gajah, and we have reached behind me, can you see? Juan Yong Coffee Shop, and this is the place, they want to expand their business. Let's go in. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have came back from Alor Gajah. It's very exciting trip because we get to taste different delicacy, and this restaurant we came back from is called Juan Yong. They are established since 1946. It's a heritage. Okay, so what did we did with them? We did our food testing, and then we also use this, our homegrown developed tool, to actually rectify whether the business can scale to the next level, and also to plan their scaling program. So from here, if you have any food and beverage friends, or you are passionate in food and beverage, you have any investors that would like to tap into this industry, do not hesitate to contact us. If you're there, you like food, you like to eat food, you like to drink, please comment below, I love food. Okay, so stay humble, stick to your principle, and go far.